Hey programmers! This time we're going to look at updating software, both from the boot menu and through the network update. Since this is the Grandmal 3 for Grandmal 2 Programmers series, I will tell you that it's not too dissimilar from updating the MA2, but they have streamlined some things and it's actually a little bit easier. Before you update, you probably want to see what version of software you're currently running on your console. If you're on PC, the software is listed in the white title bar. If your title bar is off, hit Menu, pick Configure Display, and turn on Show Title Bar. This title bar doesn't exist on the console, but there's a couple of other places we can look. If you go into Menu, pick Network, and inside Stations, you can find your console and the software version you're running. You'll also see other MA devices on the network and their software versions as well. Another window where you can see your software version is the System Info window. We can, of course, also see our software version in the Software Update window, which we'll be looking at here in a minute. But first, we gotta download the software from malighting.com. If you're using on PC, there's nothing fancy to updating. Just download the Windows or Mac version and then install that on your computer. If you've got physical consoles, then you want to download the console software here. You'll notice that there's only one download, not two separated downloads like we had on the MA2, where one was for Network Update and one for StickMaker. This one download comprises both the Network Update and the clean install. And we don't even need StickMaker anymore, but you do want to make sure that your thumb drive is FAT32 formatted. When you get the download, it's going to be a zip file called grandmal3 _stick _ then the version of software .zip. On your computer, extract that zip and open the extracted folder. You want to put these three objects, the two folders and one .scr file, onto the root of your thumb drive. So first, let's look at doing the software update through the boot menu, then we'll go through the process on the network update. Start with the console off and your thumb drive plugged in. While the console is booting, press the F8 key on your keyboard multiple times to get to the boot manager. My console is older, so I actually need to press both the function key and F8, but most likely you will only need to use the F8 key on your desk. The boot manager options should look pretty familiar to when we would do this on the Grandmal 2. First, pick your thumb drive. In the next window, you get the different install options. Check out option 4. This is cool because it'll save your MA3 and your MA2 show files to your thumb drive first. You should be already saving these externally anyway, but I think it's a nice touch. I'm already backed up, so I'm going to pick the factory reset option and do a clean install. The console will do the rest on its own and then reboot when it's done. You don't always need to do a clean install. Sometimes all you need is a network update. Click Menu, then click on Settings. In the dropdown, click Software Update. In this window, you'll see all the consoles and processor units that you could push an update to. Click on whatever station you want to update and press Update Devices at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up, pick your thumb drive and select your software. The console will reboot to complete the update. This version of the update does not erase your show files. You probably won't be surprised to find that all of these updates go a lot faster than they did on the MA2. In the next video, I want to talk about views and appearances. See you then.